Let's absolutely destroy this Buldak and Wingstop. Buldak Wingstop Ranch. Voodoo fries. Yup. Fanta zero sugar because we're healthy. Here's your bite. Say. "Ah!" Look, you need more sauce. Oh yes. Spicy Korean Q. Are y'all not tired of the hot honey rub? Because I am. This is big activities right here. You know what's crazy? I honestly think Buldak increased my spice tolerance because the sauce from Buldak is not that spicy anymore to me. Buldak Ranch go crazy. The last bite.